Hello everyone, it is Sheila here in Boho Daydreams and welcome to my channel. Wow, this is the second time I'm doing this video. I had it complete. I had run through everything and realized I only turned the video on when I was cleaning up. Oh my goodness. Anyway, happy 4th of July tomorrow. And that's exciting to me because I never get to spend 4th of July here. And it's really special for me because every year I'm in Canada. Anyway, what I want to show you is whatever is left now. And I want to talk a little bit about the retreat. So if you want anything that you're going to see here, and it is very limited, let me know right away because it all has to ship out by Monday or Tuesday, but Monday preferably. So I'm going to pop in my information. I'm Sheila Ginrich, scoghill4@gmail.com. Facebook group is Boho Daydreams. And I'm going to link that in the description box. So if there's anything here that you are interested in tonight, I need you to email me. You're not going to find this on Etsy. All right, so now I want to quickly talk about the retreat because you've heard a bit about the Southern Magnolia Boho Retreat, which is being hosted by Randy Kirby and myself. Randy Kirby is Dreamy Bohemian on YouTube. Anyway, it's running from the 4th to the 10th. The 4th is Sunday. It's the arrival day. And then the 10th is going to be departure day. So it all wraps up 2025. It's in Greensboro, North Carolina. And we've had a lot of crafters already signed up. So if you're interested in this, we'll need you to email Randy at dreamybohemian@icloud.com and send her your $100 non-refundable deposit. And that's going to hold your seat. And then you will be invited to a group with all the updates to whatever is going on. And it is just going to be so much fun. I cannot wait. Anyway, so here we are. Let's look at these packages. And I'm just going to kind of do a flip through because some of these have already been shown in the previous video. And if you missed that, then you can go back or you can just quickly we're just going to do a quick flip through. So this is number 1. And this is pinks and shades of blue. So we're just going to do a quick flip through. So pretty. It's kind of a summery sort of package. And I had been asked if, because I got my taxes done yesterday or the day before. And then I was asked if I could do a pink and a blue. And I said, okay. And so I made that for someone. And then I made extra. And I couldn't really count. And so I have one extra and it's the last one. So if you're in for a blue and a shades of blue and a pink, this is a beautiful package. Has lots of French blues. It has a lot of the deeper French blues. It's just a very beautiful package. And I hope I'm in frame because I still go out of frame. I get kind of excited and then I'm not paying attention to what I'm doing. That's what grace is all about. All right, so that's that. And then this piece here, oh, this is always so beautiful to me. Wouldn't that be a beautiful journal cover? I just think so pretty. All right, so that's number 1. Number 2 is Lazy Days, and it's a pastel package. And the reason I have it is that someone asked me to make it, and then they had a change of mind. And so I just said, well, I'm just going to pop it onto YouTube then. We'll just put it on here. So this is number 2. So this is Lazy Days. And what it is just a compilation of pastels. I am super tired. I've been really working hard on getting everything out and getting my taxes done. Anybody who's ever filed from another country, it's a little bit challenging, making sure that all your paperwork comes together and then filing what's called the F-bar. It's kind of intimidating, but it's all done. And now I just have to find all my stuff together so I can pack stuff because I know my Charlotte is waiting for me. and she needs stuff. She told me, Grandma, all her crafting stuff from last year is junk. She needs new stuff. I'm like, oh my goodness. It's all the same. All right, so this is number 2 package. Number 2 is Lazy Days, a pastel package. Number 3 is this here is lavenders and greens. And I'm just going to do a little fanning for you. Just a little fan through like that. So you can just kind of take a quick look. I don't want this video to be too long. I think this package is in the other video too. So that's number 3. And then number 4 is the black, Shades of Black package. And this is gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. It has all your flowers. It's like a nightshade flower garden. So there's lots and lots and lots of flowers in here. It's it's the last one. I have had to collect blacks for a long time before I had enough to do just a nightshade package. So that's that. So that's number 4. Okay, so now we're going to go into what's left for the velvet packages. And this is the Dark Dusky Lavender journal cover kit. And there are 2 of them left. And this has the medallion, and all the medallions are different. And I don't know if the other package has a different medallion, but generally speaking, they're not, I try and keep them a little bit original. So it's really a deep, deep, deep lavender. Sometimes even a little bit mauvey, but it still borders a little bit more onto the purple side. But look at the beautiful adornment package. Just gorgeous. Matches her perfectly. So this here is the journal cover kit. Journal cover kits are $34. And there's 50 cents shipping on every package. Then there is the darker package. This is also a journal cover kit, and this is the medallion, and there are 3 of these left. The adornment package is beautiful, just gorgeous. This is a cross between a very, very, very dark steel blue to a dark gray. It is very, very pretty. So there are 3 of those left, and that's darker. There is 1 chocolate left, and that is self-explanatory. And this is her adornment, and it just matched so beautifully with this and that. It's just so pretty. So there is 1 chocolate left in the journal cover kit. There is, oh my gosh, this one's so beautiful. Oh, love this. I have to keep one of these for myself because I don't know how this happened. This is Bohoness, and there are 3 of these available. This is one of her medallions, and then her adornment package. And she is so very deep, between a black gray to a very, very, very deep, deep, deep hint of purple in there. And I didn't put any purple in there. She is just stunning. So that is Bohoness, and there are a few of those left. There are a few of those left because I accidentally made twice as many as what I generally do. There is 1 Versailles, and the velvet and lace packages are $45.50 plus 50 cents shipping. And she has a lace package. Very, very beautiful. There's 1 of her, and she's a chameleon. She is a toss-up between a very deep gray with a hint, just a hint of lavender. And so she kind of she's a little bit on the spectrum. Then there is also the Margarita. And there is 1 of her, and she's very feminine, very, very feminine. Her laces are very, very feminine. So, okay, so I'm going to clean this up, and I'm going to show you what is left in the trims, in the medallions, and then in the stick pins. All right, I'm back. So this is what I have left in the yardage trims of the Indian trims. And these are the peacocks, and then there's elephants. There's elephants, One of them is $10 because it's a yard, and the other one has greater than a half a yard, and it is $5. So these are beautifully embroidered pieces, and when they're all gone, then they're going to be all gone. So there's A, B, C, and D of those, and then there is E is 1 yard, and it's got the beautiful little birds on it. So if anything of this is interesting to you, let me know. These are add-ons. So if you want trims, then there is shipping that is added to that. Then we have some vintage trims, and this is a beautiful tapestry, vintage tapestry. It's beautiful, and I had cut one extra, and so instead of just putting it back with everything, I thought I would put it here. This is vintage, it's 1 yard, and so that's $8. Then there is, let's see here, there is pink scallops. That is $2, and I have 3 of these packages available. There's 3 of those available, and then there is a beautiful vintage, and these are vintage also. There's a beautiful black vintage embossed. I don't know if you can see that. Can you see that? Oh yeah, you can see that. Embossed, and there are $3. There's a yard on each package, and there are only 2 packages left. So that is that. Okay, so for medallions, I have these left. Now I'm just going to zoom in a little bit so that maybe you can see them a little bit better. Let's see here. And here is the medallions. They are $6.50 each as an add-on. Otherwise, if you want just the medallions, they require additional shipping. And then the stick pins that I will show you after this, they're $6.25 each, or I only have 10 left. And if you want all 10 of them, they are $50, and that includes the shipping, because I'm just getting rid of them just because I'm going to clean up whatever is left over. So this one here is it's like a vintage white with a cameo in the center, more of a rose, kind of an old rose with a big rhinestone in the center. This is kind of a patina with a red center, and then another aged white with the black cameo. All right, I'm just going to pop up these. I was trying to keep this video a little bit short. These are really pretty. So this is the 10, and they're all beautiful. Beautiful pinks, beautiful aquas, beautiful sky blues, a little bit of, they're all just pretty. And then there's one green. So there's 10 of them here. And if you are interested in that, they're generally five sets for $33, includes shipping. But because this is all I have left and I'm leaving for 2 months or more, I'm going to just clean everything up. And if anybody is in the market for that, then let me know. I just want to show you these. Look how cute they are. Oh, they're so pretty. Some of them have silver findings on them, and some of them are gold. This is one of my favorite beads too. Love it. They're all my favorites. I love that bead. Anyway, I hope you all have a wonderful day tomorrow. It's a day for celebrating our independence. Have a wonderful weekend ahead. Bye-bye.